How's it going, Power Stoke Nation? My name is Austin, and welcome to the Power Stoke YouTube channel. It's bright. I'm trying not to wear sunglasses, and thank you, Dump Truck, for ruining my intro. But for real, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. And this week's video is going to be kind of exciting. It's going to be back and forth. So I want to start off by saying, yes, I'm not at the dunes. I am home right now. I forgot my GoPro, so I had to record some things on my phone, and I'll do a quick edit of that and show you guys all of that. And we're going to get into the giveaway, and I'm probably squinting really bad, so if I try to open my eyes I might start sneezing. Yeah, no, my sad Oregonian eyes can't handle anything that is somewhat bright. But today's video is pretty fun, pretty straightforward. So the dunes was a lot of fun. I am hurting. It like hurts to walk and move around. I feel like an 80-year-old man right now. But anyways, this weekend was a ton of fun. I hope all of you had an amazing Easter, got a good time with your family, friends, and whatever you decided to do. Like I said, we went to the dunes for Easter, and that was a ton of fun. Be able to go out and enjoy the sand and just ride around. All right, so now that we're back home and I'm back into service and have internet, we're going to do this giveaway, and I'm gonna do it the same way I always do. Now, I noticed there were a lot of you that told me what your trucks were, and I love hearing those stories, and I hope those don't stop. If you're trying to enter the giveaway, I wanted you to give me a description of your truck, make sure it had the one-piece headlights, and then do hashtag PowerStokeNation. So if you didn't do that, I'm sorry, but you will not be entered to win this week. Mirrors, bumpers, headlights, I mean, it'll continue to grow, and the giveaways will get a lot better. For this week, we're doing H13 bulbs, which will fit a one-piece headlight. They are now LED headlight bulbs. I run them in my truck, and they are absolutely amazing. I've been running them for a couple months now. Still super bright, still super reliable. They're cheap, and they work amazing. I mean, you can't really beat that. So without further ado, we're going to look at all the comments. I have it pulled up here on my laptop. I'm going to find out how many of you commented hashtag PowerStokeNation, and then I'm going to enter that number into a random number generator, and you guys know how this goes. Whatever number pulls up, I count how many comments there were. Whatever number it lands on, you are the winner of the headlights for your rig. So this is gonna be a little bit different of a giveaway. So when you do get your headlights, put them in and send me a picture or tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them in your rig. So really random, as I was waiting for my internet to load because I'm outside and internet kind of sucks outside, but it's a beautiful day and I figured I'd just, you know, do the giveaway outside. I can wait a couple minutes. I just noticed my phone sticks to the side of my truck. So I have one of those rock form. You've probably, if you watch DDE, you know all about these cases, but it just sticks to the truck. Thought that was kind of cool. All right, so here's the comments section. What we're gonna do is a Control F, and then we're gonna do hashtag, and I'll just do power, so that way I know. All right, so there is 30 of you, because I know it is, some of them were like hashtag Power Stroke Nation, Power Stroked Nation. I mean, it's simple autocorrect stuff. I'm not gonna penalize you for that. You did hashtag Power Something Nation, so thank you all so much for that. You 30 are entered. Let's do this. All right, so there was 30 of you, so we're gonna enter in 30 on my random number generator here. Number 1, wow, that's awesome. All right, so number 1 is Anthony Bates. I hope I really pronounced that right. I'm sorry if I butchered your last name, but you are the winner of the Now LED headlights. Email me, my business email is in the description of my channel, so go to my channel, go to the About, and my business email is there. Shoot me an email, and I'll make sure I get these headlights to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for everybody who entered this contest. Don't worry, all you two-piece headlight people, I'm not gonna forget about you. This was just for the one piece. I'm gonna order a set for the two-piece headlights, and we will give those away as well. Now the rest of you that can't stand not having LED headlights, check out Now. They're on Amazon. I'll set a link down in my description below, and sorry, I thought that was gonna fall over. But I'll put a link down in the description below to the headlights for the one piece and the two piece. So if you don't wanna wait for a giveaway and you just wanna buy them, I'll give you guys those links. All right, so that was the giveaway portion of this video. You've seen the dunes part of this video, and right now I'm waiting to see if I'm gonna be able to buy my wrap today. I know there is a ton of you out there that are just as excited as I am to get the wrap for the truck. I am super excited to wrap this thing purple. I think it'll be an eye grabber, And Stradman, you better watch out, because your purple Aventador is going to be not going to be the only purple rig around on YouTube. So there might be a sudden change in time in the video, but we're going to find out if I can end up buying the wrap today, and I'll give you guys a good little video of me placing that order. Alright, you guys, like I said, a major change in daylight. It is 7:54 p.m. and I just want to say, let's see here, let's load it up. Alright, well, there is no email, so let me just go back to Metro Restyling, and that page expired. So anyways, alright, well, every attempt I just did to try to prove to you guys that I ordered the wrap was flawed. There's no bank statement, no email, nothing, so I can't really prove it to you, but the truck will be wrapped in the next couple weeks, maybe next month. But wrap is officially ordered. This rig right here is going to be purple here pretty soon. So with that being said, that means the truck is going to be purple here within the next month. We got very busy weekends coming up, Mother's Day thrown in there. So I don't know if I'll be able to do it in the next few weeks. I really do hope so. If not, the least I'm going to do is get the truck ready for the wrap, which means debadging, pulling the pinstripe off, and sanding down some paint, because there's quite a few nicks in the paint that are pretty deep that will show through. And pulling that dreaded door dent that I have on this truck that's very hard to see at some points, but it's right about here. I'll go over that in another video, and I'll tell you guys what happened. Not my doing, it was the previous owner, but it's kind of a funny little story. So hopefully that dent's pretty easily pullable. Otherwise I'm gonna have to source a door, or I mean, I don't really want to wrap a dent. That's not going to look very good. So with that being said, the secondary color is going to be a surprise, like I said. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Thank you guys so much for the constant support you're giving me. All the new subscribers, we're almost to 3,500 already. We're already cruising through the 3,000s, and that's super exciting and very, very motivating, and just like it's a good push for me. And this wrap, I hope, carries that along pretty well. So thank you all so much for watching. Grab some merch down in the description below. Like I said, the headlight bulbs will also be in the description if you don't want to wait for the next giveaway, then you just want to buy them. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys next time.